J Black, we back. Yeah, yeah. PK, Porsche Kid, PK Networks. I told you I see you out there, YouTube. I got you. Hey, check it. I'm just gonna comment on the one, okay? Yeah. Uh, so I'm back off at my slide things. Impact my brain with substance of knowledge, man. There are so many things out there on the streets that won't change. Like me stacking my chains. We're from the rain with this government. Some people out there is lucky because I got a legal aim. But boy, this game, when my socials on the blocks, then I recop, then I get back right on the clock. No time for dumb shit when I'm dealing with these haters and it's nonsense when this makes no sense to me nowadays. And I stay bent up off that sweet shit when I'm raining on out the wet six like some hogs, yes, lyrically bound. No contest or ain't no best. So I rhyme till there's none left when I'm holding my breath and I'm clutching my balls. My styles will stay sick, sicker than Smith. What the diagnostic said from the hot spit toe. He said I had that cold flow while I'm stripping MCs down and I toss them like scrap metals. But even through the meadows or just flowing head up or flowing toe to toe, I'm still gonna flow and take the pictures out the frame. Leave no remains for the comeback. If they come back, when I highly doubt that. My paragraphs is ready for war, that lyrical combat. No one can stop that. They need to stop that. Whack ass rhyme, stop from that with a hi hat. When I steady crazy cats from here to the Baghdad, but I still ain't back. So we got my back since I'm against all odds. When I beat the case, bomb my yards, I'm up and out and my Porsche motherfucker say something. Yeah, yeah. Hey, J Black, we back. Hey, yeah, yeah. A PK, Porsche Cat.